Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Now in a few days I'm going to be departing for Ireland for an 11-day trip. So I'm going to show you what I've packed in my bike and how I've prepared for that. So if you want to find out more about that, then watch the rest of the video and I'll catch you in a minute. So this is my Kawasaki Z1000SX and it is fully packed for an 11-day trip to Ireland. We're going to go all around Ireland, starting in the south, going up the Wild Atlantic Way on the west side, then finishing, we're going to go up to Northern Ireland as well, and we're going to finish in Dublin. So in here on the tank bag, I pretty much have my sat nav, I've got my camera equipment, I've got the drone, and spare batteries and things for the audio, etc. That's all there. And on this pocket, just in case we get on some unsteady ground, I've got a little plug for the side stand with a bungee that I can attach to the handlebar here, so that when I'm setting off, all I have to do is pull it back up again and put it away. On this pannier, I've got my bag with all my changes of clothes, 3 sets of base layers, toiletries, shoes, trousers, etc. Bag for the helmet, some warmer gloves in case I need them and it's too warm. Yeah. So the plan is, at the end of the day, when we get to our destination, I will pull this out as a shoulder strap, put it on my shoulder. I put my helmet, clean my helmet, put it back in here, lock it up, and then I can just go to the accommodation. On this side, I have all of my friends who have sent me stickers. I have all of their stickers here on this pannier. And then, if I unlock it, in here I've got a sweatshirt that I can take away with me as well. I've got my rain gear. I've got a cover for the bike. I've got a flat tire repair kit. I've got a tire inflator. I've got a first aid kit. I've got my waterproof trousers, and then I'm going to have the tools in here as well. Just a few extra tools, WD-40, duct tape, a spanner, that kind of stuff, just for in case of emergencies, which I hope I don't have any. A towel to put over the seat for the ferry, a nice fluffy towel that goes on so the strap doesn't damage the seat. And then I've got my regular gloves, and on there I've got my visor cap just in case it rains. You never know, it's Ireland, but it might rain. And then finally the Helite backpack is going to go on my back. In here I've got a few things like hay fever tablets, paracetamol in case I need it. In here is going to go there's all my documents, passport, V5, etc. Got a power bank in case I need anything. Got the selfie stick, the box with the DJI and the 360 camera are going to go in here, and then the water bladder is going to go there in the back, and that's it really. That's all the stuff I'm going to need, I think, for 10-11 days. Have I forgotten anything? So how have I done for my packing and my selection of stuff I'm taking? Am I taking too much? Am I taking too little? How do you do it differently? Yeah, let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, I'll see you after the trip, and I'll catch you later. For now, this is NooBiker.